look very nice in this sunset lighting. Yes.
We're in
Pash something, which is a little cafe. It's vegetarian and vegan friendly.
Oh, I think they also have meat stuff here as well.
Yeah. Okay, we're gonna look at the menu. Oh my god. So we got this calzone, which has vegan cheese, I think. And then we got a tofu burger with what it looks like caramelized onion. And then some fries. And Daniel's already ahead of me.
Well, I'm cutting it in half, so we each get a half.
Okay, see what's inside. I'm impressed. Holy. Is there cheese in it? Well, it looks healthy. It looks pretty epic, actually.
It smells really good.
It smells very good. Oh, mushrooms. Nice. Okay, cool. And then we got a tofu burger. We're gonna share everything. Are you excited, Daniel?
I'm really excited. I'm stealing one of these already.
Ooh, peach. What are we doing, Dan?
We're getting gelato.
We're getting vegan gelato. We're gonna find out which ones are vegan. These are all vegan minus 2 flavors. Oh. Thank you.
The Nimbola as well.
So I got a mango and hazelnut. Hazelnut is made of soy. Ooh. And what'd you get, Dan?
I got the blackberry, and then I got the same one as with the hazelnut.
Oh, the hazelnut? Ooh. Should we enjoy it out here?
Sure, we'll start walking back.
You want to start walking back? Did you try it? How is it, Dan?
Delicious as hell.
I want a little bit of the blackberry. Hold on.
Why don't I put it on yours because you're sick?
Yes. Didn't seem to bother you before sharing all that food.
There you go, I put some blackberry on there for you.
Thank you. Ooh, so exciting. Guys, you think this is enough food? I'm not really sure. Holy, it's huge. So, this is the vegan breakfast. We got some tofu. We have some vegan sausage, baked beans, toast. Ooh, sweet potato, tomato, mushroom. So much mushroom. Oh my god. I'm excited. How is it, Daniel? Is it everything you've ever dreamt of?
And more.
And more. Yay, food. If there's one thing that can cheer us up, it's food. Thank you. No, we don't. Thank you. Lunchtime. With this view and this view right here, we got some spaghetti. Some spaghetti with olive oil, garlic, sun-dried tomato, basil, and we got a nice little salad. Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thanks.
No, but it said level 1. It's not supposed to be level 1.
No, it said level 0. Do you know where you're going, Rose?
No.
Shall we follow you?
Yes. So where are we going, Dan?
I can't remember. Do you remember what it's called, Rose?
Well, I hope you remember because you're leading the way.
I know the way there, I just can't remember what it's called.
Something kebab.
Coco Kebab.
It's called
Choco.
Choco Kebab. We're going to a place called Choco Kebab, and apparently they have Beyond Burgers. So Daniel's very excited, because guess who's never tried a Beyond Burger? Daniel's never tried a Beyond Burger. So I think we're gonna go and have some Beyond Burgers. We found it! Yes. So is it here? Yes. Yay! This is nice. We on vacation. Yeah, look at these vegan options, guys. They even have a vegan, oh my god, they even have a savory crepe. Vegan chicken. Do I want to try vegan chicken?
Tuna and pork.
I think we might both have to get this. Or should I try this? Why are you smiling like that, Dan?
Does it look weird?
No, I think you look cute. Why are you smiling like that, Dan? Why are we so happy?
Because we just found out you could replace any of the burgers on the menu with a Beyond Burger.
Yes,
for
they
only
have
€1 extra.
They have Beyond Burgers here, guys. If you ever make it to Malta. In Boogieba.
Where?
Boogieba. Boogieba. And I got some sort of a drink. I think it's supposed to help me cure my diseases.
Sickness
Let's cure my diseases.
I'm tired of hearing about it.
Oh god, I'm dying, Daniel. Oh, it kind of tastes like it would help me cure everything.
Does it taste healthy?
Yes.
So.
Tastes gingery. Do you like ginger?
Oh goddamn. So you get an option with your burger, you know? Sweet potato fries or regular fries.
Ooh. So we each got a burger with the Beyond Burger. And what else did we get, Dan?
We got also mac and cheese. And the
No, but it's not really a mac and cheese.
No, it's like a traditional Maltese dish, which is like pasta kind of macaroni style
and
with oven baked with like, normally they put like an egg and ricotta, but they're doing it like vegan for us.
Yes.
And with
not for us, but they have it on the menu.
Yeah, on the menu. So not man.
Clearly he's not very good at this. Okay.
Clearly he's a boss.
So yes, we got like a thing to share, which is basically like a Maltese dish with macaroni. I think they said they put like a bolognese, like a bolognese style, so there's gonna be like, I don't know, does that mean there's like meat crumbles and stuff, traditionally? But they made a vegan version here, so we're excited to try something that's kind of traditional.
But vegan.
But vegan.
Damn, my hair be all over the place.
Look at my hair. It smells good. There's vegan cheese on top. This is the macaroni baked thing. We need another set of cutlery. Ooh, so this is the traditional
God, it looks so
dish,
good.
but veganized. Wow, it smells so good.
It smells.
So here is Daniel's Beyond Burger with the melted vegan cheese. Oh my god. And then here is mine with pineapple and oyster mushroom. Oh my god, it looks so good. Dan, are you excited for this?
I'm so excited. What are the chances of us getting Beyond Burger in Malta?
In Malta, of all places. Alright, so Daniel's never tried the Beyond Burger, so he's gonna try it right now.
It looks so meaty right now. It looks like it's like bloody inside, doesn't it?
Oh my god. So this one is mine with the pineapple and the mushroom. Oh my god. Is it too meaty?
It's crazy.
Right? Does it taste like meat?
Like I need to just rip off a bit of the burger just to try that. It's so good.
Right? I told you. I'm glad you like it.
Oh my god, it's amazing.
I'm glad I didn't like oversell it.
You did not oversell it. It's so meaty.
Right? It kind of reminds me of like, have you had a Whopper from Burger King?
Reminds you of that. I cannot
Yeah.
get over it.
So meaty. Holy.
I cannot get over it. It's crazy.
Oh god, well we're gonna enjoy this. Look at all this food. You think we got enough food, Dan?
Nope.
I'm trying this traditional, ooh, look at that. Ah! But oh my god, this is actually really good too.
Let's just do this. So just
Yeah.
take from that side, okay?
Ooh, this is really good, guys. It's got like little crumbles in it, vegan crumble. And the melted cheese is delicious. I love this place. How's it? Right?
Super good.
What are we doing, Dan?
sitting inside Kebab, and Rose had the inclination that they might serve a vegan crepe. We decided, you know, two Beyond Burgers, and if mac and cheese wasn't enough, we are also going to have a crepe to share.
We have to have it. I mean, how many times do you come across a vegan-friendly crepe?
Not very often.
We also added vegan ice cream.
Yeah, vanilla. I'm so tired.
Thank you. Oh, it's a waffle. It's the waffle cone or waffle bread, whatever it's called. Oh my! Wait. I don't even know. Like, you know what? This is fine. It's mostly fruit.
Yeah.
Oh my god! I look like absolute. Did someone hit me with a bus? I can't even talk properly. I look like I got hit by a bus. Hi Dan. We're sitting in front of Flip Flops.
Yeah.
We're back. We're back at this place, which is our new favorite place in Malta.
Yeah.
Right?
It's really good.
Stop looking at yourself, Dan.
I wasn't. I was. Well, I kind of was. Because I also look like I. Did somebody hit me with a bus? We ordered. Well, we have 2 Americanos.
Yes.
And then we also ordered a. It's like a. Was it a Jack in the Box burger? With the Beyond, obviously with the Beyond Burger patty.
We're gonna share everything.
And then also we're getting like a traditional. Is it like Maltese style?
Maltese style like tuna sandwich.
Yeah.
With ciabatta bread, and it's supposed to be good for not good for breakfast, but I mean we're kind of.
We eat anything at any time.
We eat anything at any time of the day, so it's okay for us.
Yeah.
Oh, I think that's what it looks like. Maltese bread. Do you see that?
Oh, yeah.
So, yeah, it's supposed to be like a tuna made with like soy stuff. So let's find out if it's good. Either way, the Beyond Burger's gonna be good. So.
I'm so excited.
Yay. Wait, so this is the Beyond Burger with this. Which one's this one?
This is the
jackfruit.
Jack
With jackfruit with barbecue.
sauce.
Ooh.
Just the oven.
Wow.
Right.
What is this?
This is pastizzi, Maltese pastizzi.
Pastizzi.
Yes.
What's inside?
That's almond ricotta.
Oh.
It's puff pastry.
It looks so
I
good.
have to have-
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Ooh, okay, we'll start with, okay, and then this one is the tuna melt thing or whatever it is. Oh, okay, thank you. That looks huge. Wow, that's crazy. This looks insane. So the owner gave us these for us to try. Pastizzi.
I think that's how you call it.
And you can try this vegan version here. Apparently it's like a very traditional Maltese food.
You can't come to Malta and not have it.
Yes. Okay, so we're gonna cut this in half. Do you want to do the honors, Dan? Damn. We be eating so much.
It's like, it's like, oh my god, it looks so good inside.
Ooh, there's a jackfruit. We're gonna try this out. This is the tuna.
That looks delicious as hell.
Let's try it. Oh my god, it's like, it's huge. It's like a bagel, kind of.
It kind of looks like it. What does it taste like, Rose?
I don't know how to describe it, but it's really good.
Ooh.
It doesn't really taste like tuna, but I feel like with everything, there's like tomato sauce on the bread, and there's like olives and everything, so it just tastes like nice and fresh.
I'm excited to try mine.
Oh my god, this is so good.
Ooh.
There's almond ricotta.
Okay.
Oh my god. Oh shit!
You dropped half the ricotta, Rose. You look really tan in this lighting, by the way.
What?
Yeah. I'm jealous.
It's good. It's like a pasta. And all that fat, all that butter.
Delicious as hell.
Oh, thank you. I also got an orange juice, as per usual. Here's our feast.
I mean, it looks epic.
Right? So buttery. But no butter.
Really
Yummy. It's brilliant.
That's delicious as hell.
Okay, we're gonna enjoy. Time to feast, as usual. All right, so this is a dessert that they brought for us. Leftover jackfruit.
Made into like a slushy kind of with Sprite.
Yes, it's a little dessert, like a granita. Ooh, yum. It's so sweet.
It's so good.
I need to eat the jackfruit portion. Mmm.
That's good.
Mmm. Nice little dessert.